is a breeze. Tidy toys and books in a row. Working together makes it go. One by one we clear the floor until there's mess no more. Teamwork, teamwork, yes it's true. It's more fun with me and you. Grab a bin or find a shelf. Don't just leave it to yourself. Blocks go here and dolls go there. We can clean up anywhere.